Hello everybody. The motivation for this video I got from a project I'm working on. I'm working on some project and I'm using Jest. And when I'm using Jest, you see that he uses color. Okay, so you can see here a color, and if I will run it, like this, you will see that he uses colors. So you see here error, and you see also here color, and it's very convenient. And also suppose you have some console log and you want to see it, and there are a lot of other console logs, and you want this console log to appear to you very clearly. So you want to put a red or an orange color to it. So how you do it? So there are a few ways doing this, but when I was looking at this, I found a very nice module called Chalk. So if I look here, Chalk npm, okay, so this is a module. It is very popular, you see, 53 million download per week, and I think that it is working only on the server side, but for me it's enough because now I'm working on the server side. So let's start. Let's create package file, npm init. Let's install it, npm install Chalk. I'm using SafeDev because it is only used for development. And now let's create a file, index.js, and let's do here console log app is loading. Okay, now we can run it, node index, and we can see that app is loading, but you can see also here it's in color, but there is no color, nothing. Okay, so the documentation, if you want to see the documentation, you can go to Chalk and here you can look over the documentation, but I will start by using this. So this is so I'm creating an object and then using something that is called log, so I can use it like this. Okay, now I want to use a color. App is loading, color red, and now what I can do is I can use Chalk. You see that I have it on the IntelliSense, and I can use dot red and close it. And now I'm expecting the color to be red. Okay, so you see here that the color is red, and if I want, I can mix color. Okay, so maybe I want this to have the default color. Okay, so I can mix here, and if I want, I can also use backtick. Like this. Okay, so it is more convenient to use backtick. It is not a must, but it is very convenient. Now suppose I want to have a color and to be bold. Okay, so let's use here blue. Before it, maybe I want the color to be orange. Okay, so I can try to do it like this, dot, but you see that I don't have orange. Okay, it is not going to work because it does not have a built-in orange like this, so this will fail. Okay, but I can use RGB. Okay, so I can do something like this, dot RGB, like this. And if I want to have the RGB for orange, RGB, I can copy it from here. Okay, so this is orange. Okay, let's see how it is working. Okay, this is orange, and maybe I want orange to be bolded. So if I want it to be bolded, I can use dot bold. Let's edit bold. Let's see what we get. Okay, so you see that it's bolded. It's even more standing out, like bold is. Okay, so we have a color, and this is the default color. There are a few colors you can use, like also green. Okay, and okay, so I can use here green. You see that I can use few color, but not all. You saw orange, I have to create it using RGB. So yes, it is working, color green. And now let's add some background. Suppose that I have without anything. Suppose I just want to log it. Okay. And it is white color, so let's add, so suppose I want the background to be blue. Background. So I need to go over here, dot BG blue. Let's see what we have. Okay, we have a blue background, and if we want to mix also, to add also color, suppose we want it to be green, so we can have it dot green, blue background plus green color. Oops, green. Okay, blue background and green color. And if we want to have it also with bold, so I can make it also bold. Okay, so let's see what we have done. We can make a color red or another color. This is built in, and we can also make it part of it in one color and part of it without color, and we can maybe also add it here another color. Let's see. Let's put it green. So we can mix it. Let's see what we have. Yes, you see, part of it is red, part of it is white, and part is green. It's very flexible. And sometimes you want to use a color that is not part of the built-in color, so you need to create it from RGB. This is the orange, and maybe you want it to make it bold. You just add it bold, and you can use background color like blue, BG blue. And you can also use bold. So it is very convenient, and you can really use it. And good luck.